Welcome to Tasty Napoli. Today we're making pasta alla Norma. Let's get started. I'm incredibly excited today because pasta alla Norma is one of my favorite Italian dishes in the summer, and today we're using produce that I've grown completely from my garden. This is a dish that comes together pretty quickly, so let's get started prepping our eggplant. So we are going to take about 2 good-sized eggplants, and we are going to cut off just the top here and the bottom. And then we're gonna do kind of these like zebra striped strips with the skin. So we're just gonna, with a peeler, that's one, and then here's the other. And we're just gonna cut these into chunks. So the reason why I like to do these like zebra stripes is because I like to have a little bit of texture from the skin, but I find that if it's too much, then it just gets a little chewy. Once they're in a bowl, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, maybe about a tablespoon or so, and a bit of pepper. And then I also like to toss them in about a tablespoon of olive oil as well. So then into a hot pan, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And then once it gets nice and hot and it's starting to shimmer, we're going to add our eggplant right in there. We're gonna saute this for about 8 minutes, just until it starts to get nice and crispy. While the eggplant's cooking, I like to prep my other ingredients. So we're going to take 1 shallot. We're gonna dice that up nice and fine. And then because we want the eggplant to brown, I don't like to move it around too much while it's in the pan. Just a couple of times is all that it really needs. Then we're going to take about 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. These are a little small, so I'm gonna use 2. Now that our eggplant's cooked, we are going to remove them from the heat and just put them right back into the same bowl that we used before. While that's cooling, we are going to prep our tomatoes. You could, if you wanted to, you could take your tomatoes, you could kind of like do a little cross here, put them in some boiling water and then peel the skin to make a really nice silky sauce. Today, because this is coming from my garden, it's really rustic, I'm going to leave the skins on. What we're gonna do is we are going to kind of just cut the top and the bottom off, and then we're going to slice the tomato in half. We're just gonna scrape all the seeds and the liquid out. That's gonna be a little bitter in the sauce, and we want the sauce to be made just purely from the flesh of the tomato. And then what we're going to do is you're gonna slice these into little strips here. While we cook our fresh tomato sauce, I'm also going to prep the pasta water and get the pasta cooking. This all comes together very quickly. So like I always say, you want boiling water and you want to salt it like it's the sea. For this dish, I'm using rigatoni. I really like Rumo. I think they have a really beautiful pasta product, so that's what we're using today. While the pasta's cooking, we're gonna get started on our sauce. So in the same pot that we used for the eggplant, we're going to turn that up to about medium heat. Add a bit more olive oil. Once it gets nice and hot, we're going to add our shallot, and we'll let that cook for about a minute or 2. Once the shallot is nice and soft, we're going to add our garlic. We're just gonna let that heat up until it gets fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to add our tomato strips right into the pan. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and about a tablespoon of oregano. I like to use dried, and just rub it between my hands to make sure all the oils come out. Next up, I'm just gonna thin the sauce with a bit of white wine. To that, we're going to add a couple of leaves of fresh basil. While the sauce and the pasta are cooking, we're going to grate up some ricotta salata. Now, ricotta salata is a beautiful cheese product. It's fresh ricotta that is kind of compressed and drained with a lot of salt added to it until it forms this like nice consistency. And this is very traditional in pasta alla Norma. So we're just going to grate about half a cup of these like long strips of the cheese straight into a bowl. The pasta's cooked until just shy of al dente, and I just want to finish it in the sauce. So we're just gonna fish all the pasta out. So then we're just gonna give that a nice toss along with our eggplant. Now to this, we're also going to add our ricotta salata. I'm gonna make myself a bowl here just so that I can taste it for all of you. It's a huge sacrifice on my part, let me tell you. Now, I'm incredibly excited to taste this. Wow, that is really tasty. It's super fresh. I love making fresh tomato sauces in the summer. The eggplant has this beautiful silky texture to it, and it's all like counterbalanced by the salt in the ricotta salata. It's just, honestly, it's really, really good. If you like Italian dishes like this, made modern, a little bit lighter, please subscribe. I release recipes like this every single week. I'm very excited to have this for my lunch. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna sit outside, pour myself a nice glass of wine, and until next time, alla prossima.